Selling on Odoo Online? Want to promote your products through the Facebook catalog? In this video, you'll learn how to get your product feed link and connect it to Meta Commerce Manager to import products from Odoo and sell them through the Facebook catalog and Instagram shopping. Introducing the Facebook Catalog Online module for Odoo SaaS by Garazd Creation. Access rights. First, configure access rights for users working with the Facebook catalog. To grant access to the Product Feeds menu, navigate to a specific user profile, open the Access Rights tab, and enable the Product Feed option in the Extra Rights section. Activation and configuration. After installing the module, a new option appears in the settings. To create a product feed, navigate to the website settings and activate the Facebook Catalog Feeds option in the Tracking and SEO section. Next, configure the product feed using the Manage Feeds link. In the created Facebook catalog record, enter a feed name. Select a price list or leave the field blank to use the default price list. Choose the language for product text information. Specify the desired product categories, or leave the field blank to include all categories. Adding a feed to Facebook. To import product data and connect your Odoo products to Facebook catalog, click the Copy URL button. Go to your Facebook Commerce Manager and click Add Products. Let's create a new catalog. Select the catalog type, specify your business portfolio, and enter the catalog name. Then click Next. On the next step, click Skip. Choose the Connect to a Data Feed option and click Next. Select the Commerce Manager platform, then insert your data feed URL into the field and click Next. On the final step, fill in the following fields. Enter a name of your data source. Select the default currency. Set up a schedule for when and how often Facebook updates product data from your feed. After making these settings, click Upload, wait for the data to load, and your products will appear in Meta Commerce Manager. Choose the first Facebook catalog module built for Odoo Online and start growing your sales on Facebook and Instagram today.